Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week, we're looking at diagonal wraps and how they can be used to present a message in creative ways. I've got 3 designs to show you, so let's take a closer look. First up is a very exciting event invitation from a printer in Germany. The cover splits diagonally and opens top and bottom, and then the angled sides fold out to reveal a message on the interior and a card insert. Great use of digital printing, white on black and white on red paper with 4-color printing over the white. This piece was part of a series of exciting, creative, digitally printed designs, and the rectangular proportion made it easy to mail in an envelope. Now let's change the orientation to vertical for this oversized diagonal wrap that was created for a Design Masters event and mailed in a clear envelope. Open it up to reveal a poster with a simple large card insert with information about the special guest speakers and their work. You can see how these diagonal wraps use a series of intersecting angled scores on a rectangular sheet. No die cutting involved. Lastly, here's another take on the oversized vertical wrap approach, but this one is on a bit heavier sheet because it's holding a large trifold event program rather than just a card insert. Like the previous design, this design opens into a poster, which is one of the benefits of the oversized wrap. You end up with a poster-sized spread that's great for a full bleed image or large message as a focal point. One of the things I really like about this format is that the diagonal wrap is really artful and eye-catching in its design, and yet it's just a rectangle with angled scores. The trick, however, is to get the angles just right so that the panels meet perfectly together. So play around with this idea and let me know how it goes. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.